Did you know that your Windows PC is silently filling up with digital junk? It's time to take back control with a built-in tool that's been hiding in plain sight. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to activate this powerful feature, which is pre-installed on every Windows 10 and 11 PC. As you use your PC, Windows creates a trail of temporary files, leftover data, and cached information that can quickly add up. But with Storage Sense, you can put an end to the clutter and let your PC clean itself automatically without lifting a finger. Let's dive right in. Click that Start menu and head to Settings, where you'll find the gear icon on the left sidebar. Click System and then Storage on the right panel. This is where you get a live breakdown of what's eating up your disk space. Take a glance and you might be surprised. Scroll down to Storage Sense and click on it. Now, make sure that top toggle is turned on. This is your master switch. Until this is enabled, none of the other settings will work. The default schedule is set to clean up during low free disk space only, but this is a reactive approach. Instead, click the drop-down under Run Storage Sense and choose from the 4 options: every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space. For heavy users, weekly cleanup is the way to go, while the average user can get by with monthly cleanup. Next, set up the delete files in my recycle bin setting. Choose 30 days if you are like most people, or 14 days if you never recover deleted files. But be careful with the Downloads folder setting. Don't set it to 1 day or 14 days, or you might lose something important. Leave it on Never, or set it to 60 days if you want some automation. Finally, scroll down and click Run Storage Sense to start the cleanup process. With these settings in place, Windows will now run its own maintenance silently on schedule, completely hands-free. If you found this video helpful, show us some love with a like and a subscribe. We'll see you in the next video with even more exciting content.